Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna walk you through an easy workaround on how you can connect Call AI with Fitbit. So to get started with easy workaround and a step-by-step guide on how you can easily connect the Call AI with your Fitbit. So the first thing to do is to open the Call AI app on your iPhone or Android device. Then from there go to the settings or the profile in the app, then look for the connect app or the fitness integration. Then tap the Fitbit from the list of the available integrations. Then you will be redirected to log in to your Fitbit account, enter your Fitbit credentials. Then after that, allow permissions to so Call AI can sync and steps, workout and calories data from the Fitbit. Okay, so once the permission are granted, Call AI will show a connected or sync active status, and that's how you can easily connect your Call AI with your Fitbit. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.